I don't want to get to like 7 o'clock and not have made dinner yet because I'm like still working on the cookies. But I don't think the cookies are going to take that long. So I'm like, I'll just do the oven part of dinner first. Then we'll recalibrate for a minute, and then we'll start in on the cookies. I also had the thought that I might want to make either another batch of the cookies that I made yesterday, the ones that we're baking today, or I might want to make a batch of sugar cookie dough, not to make today, but just to have on hand, because I'm going to I'm definitely going to make sugar cookies for giveaway stuff. Calvin's teachers, school, classroom aides, basically every adult that we come across for the next like 2 weeks is going to get like a little bag of cookies. So I'm going to make the sugar cookies. I may make the dough tonight because the dough is super easy to make. And we'll see. This is going to be, I'm not sure what the timing of anything on stream today is. I know that I'm probably going to finish stream around 7:30 p.m. So that is the goal. That's the goal. That and having dinner on the table when Calvin's finished with karate. That's about it. But we're just doing like a weird thing. And the dinner, I wasn't even sure what I was going to make for dinner until about 5 minutes before stream. Either when I looked in the cabinet and was like, oh, or in the fridge, and I was like, oh, I have Brussels sprouts. I have a pomegranate from the last time I made these sprouts. So, I thought I clicked gold star. Yeah, it might have switched over. The high thing might have turned off. And just like bumped everything back one. That would make sense, Odie. Because the high is on a timer. Cyborg, welcome in. I'm suddenly work at this school. I am very far away. Yeah, it's a remote position text. I got you. Fellas, welcome in. Hello. Okay. I'm gonna toss this chicken in the oven. The oven's not even on. Damn it. Okay. Whatever. We'll turn the oven on now, and we'll go from there. The Brussels sprouts, I need to cook just a few of these. This recipe calls for 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts. I don't think this is 2 pounds. But it's fine. I'm going to put about a quarter of these on a sheet pan. That's about maybe. There we go. The rest of these get sliced thin and raw. So, not saying you to be a bother. Did we ever renew a sub? Because we're subbing tomorrow. I can't gift you a sub until your sub is over. So no, I didn't. You can't gift a sub if someone's already subbed. I literally just checked. Like when you said hi, I clicked your name to see if I could do it. So I got you when the time comes. But what's going to happen is eventually, if you keep winning, it'll get later and later in the month. If you had to estimate how many cookies you bake in a calendar year, how many would that be? Well, let's try. I would say on average, once a month, I bake 50 cookies. So yeah, about every month I would say I probably make 50 cookies for Cookie Club. Sometimes it's more. Last month it was way more. Sometimes it's like the exact amount. So at least 600. If